Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I am going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings, and you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit with battery and charger, included CK277C2, earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with, about this item, DEWALT brushless motor of cordless drill, combo kit delivers up to 57% more runtime, overbrushed compact 5.4-inch front to back, lightweight, 2 pounds impact driver, design of the cordless tools combo kit fits into tight areas. Compact 7.52-inch front to back, lightweight driver in that drill, impact driver, combo kit is designed to fit into tight areas. Ergonomic comfort grip handle provides ideal balance and tool control. LED light with 20-second trigger release delay provides increased visibility in dark or confined spaces. Impact driver's one-handed loading, 1 4-inch hex chuck accepts 1-inch bit tips. See more product details. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is the DCK277C 220V Max Lithium-Ion Cordless Brushless Combo Kit is ideal for most drilling and fastening applications. Both the drill driver and impact driver in DEWALT Toolkit are compact in design and excellent for hard-to-reach areas. Both DEWALT cordless tools feature a brushless motor. Not in a test environment, in the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is product information, features and specs. Voltage 20 volts battery type. Lithium-ion number of batteries. Lithium metal batteries required. Included amperage 10, amps power source AC/DC, measurements item, weight 0.39 kilograms. Unit count 1, count warranty and support Amazon.com. Return policy Amazon.com. Voluntary 30-day return guarantee. You can return many items you have purchased within 30 days following delivery of the item to you. Our voluntary 30-day return guarantee does not affect your legal right of withdrawal in any way. You can find out more about the exceptions and conditions here. Product warranty. For warranty information about this product, please click here. Feedback. Would you like to tell us about a lower price? DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit with battery and charger included. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There is one limitation I want you to know before you decide. A price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago, and it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.